So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Essence. In this video, we are going to talk about some tools that you can use for copywriting. So some of these tools that I shall discuss in this video are paid and some of them are non-paid. So majority of the tools that I shall discuss are non-paid, so you don't need to worry, and all of your work shall be done with these non-paid tools. But in case you are wondering that if you have a good budget and you want to go for premium versions of these tools as well as some other paid tools, I shall give an option for that also. So before starting this video, let us first revise what we learned in previous video. So in case you haven't watched this the previous video, make sure to watch it before you watch this video, as it is really important to know what exactly is copywriting before starting to watch this video. So in previous video we discussed what exactly is copywriting and what were the fields or what were the areas where you can use this skill. So it covered almost every single area where you can use copywriting skills. So then I concluded that why it is so important to learn copywriting skills. And in case you haven't watched the video on how much you can get paid by learning the skill, so I'll link that in the description box also, as well as over here also right now on the top of the screen. You can just watch that video so that you can even get more motivated to learn the skill. So without any further ado, let's start with today's video.
So hey guys, welcome to this video. So we are going to discuss these 10 tools in this video. So basically I'm not sure that whether we are going to be able to discuss all these tools in just one video, but I want you guys to know in-depth knowledge about each and every tool. I just don't want to name it and tell you the URL so that you end up searching on your own and using it on your own. I want to give you an in-depth knowledge about each and every tool, how to use it, what should be the ideal score, and how are you going to improve it. I'm going to show you each and everything with the live demo by writing the headline by myself and showing you where you can make the mistake and how you can use the tool, and where you can correct in case you are scoring less, how you can improve the score so that you don't end up having a huge bounce rate. So these are the tools. So the very first tool, that is Headline Analyzer, we shall discuss in today's video, and I have much to say about this tool, so make sure to watch the video till the end so that you don't end up missing any information that I tell you. In the end, I shall also show you guys how you can stop using negative words which can lower your score down. And then we are going to talk about the sorters tool. So I shall talk about this tool in the next video, and I'm thinking to make combine the tools that I shall be using, combine the tools that have very short explanation together. Then the third tool in the list is Grammarly. So this is a very basic tool and most of you might be already knowing it. Then I shall tell you guys how you can use it for copywriting. So the fourth tool is Canva. The fifth tool that we are going to talk about is the Hemingway app. The sixth tool is Mossbar. Seventh tool is Hunter. The eighth tool is Pixabay. The ninth tool is Live Keyword Analysis. The 10th one is Crayon.co. I shall make you guys understand each and everything. How are you going to use it? Where are you going to use it? And finally, I shall tell you guys that how you can effectively write copywriting, as well as how you can effectively write your copies so that they give you a huge turnovers, as well as are very effective and attractive as well as catchy. So I'm really excited to teach you guys. So without any further ado, let's start with today's video and talk about the very first tool, that is Headline Analyzer. So the very first tool that we are going to use today is Headline Analyzer. So you can just Google it, that Headline Analyzer, Google the name Headline Analyzer, and the very first result that you should get, that is by coschedule.com. So you are going to click on that. So let me give you a demo of by simply just writing a sample headline. So let me write over here. it can be anything. So let us take an example. So lose weight in 15 days. So you can go click on analyze. So basically you need to fill in the details before you get the results, and then get my result. So the results are being fetched. So you can see that my headline score is 47. So it is basically combination of common words, uncommon words, emotional words, as well as power words. So what are these common words are? So basically common words make up the basic structure of readability headlines. So it should be generally between 20 to 30%. So in my case it is 20%, so I'm good to go with common word, and the common word is in. So it can be in, at, and it can be word something like that. Then comes the uncommon word. So I have 0% of uncommon words. So uncommon words occur less frequently than common words, but it's really important to have uncommon words also, and they should make up to 10 to 20%. Then comes the emotional word. Again, I have zero emotional and zero power. So let me just give you, let us just add some more stuff into my headline so that my emotional as well as power word count increases. So let me write 15 easy steps to lose weight in 15 days. So you can see that my score increased to 62. Previously, you can see over here the headline history that I have used. And this time from 47, which was my previous score, I got 62, which is far more better. And you can see over here that my power word has increased. So power word is easy, and in and to are my common words. And still uncommon and emotional words are very less. So let me write in 15 days naturally. Then what's my score? Again 62, and so there is no improvement. Let me write fast. Then my score decreased. Okay, let me write result guaranteed, and then let me analyze. So you can see that my score has increased to 67, and I have got some emotional words also. So you can see that your word balance should be a combination of 4 of these. So let us move to, this was just a demo, so let us move to next part, that is the list. So you can click on these blogs, these links, so that you get an insight of like, in case you are wondering that if you are confused with what to write and you are not getting much idea, you can refer to these blogs. And basically the length should be, here you get the length, it should be 55 characters long and tend to earn the highest number of clicks. So this is the ideal length of your headline. And here you can see that my headline is 58 characters, so it has reduced some from 100%, the percentage is reduced a little bit. And you can see that it has also provided me that your headline is a bit wordy, and has suggested me to reduce the length of my headline to improve its SEO value. And over here this is whole of the length analysis and overall grammar and readability, overall structure. Then you can see over here there is another blog which you can read in case you, what is the it is about, this blog is about the best length for your blog post, so you can read in case you are confused with it. And then this is the first and last. So this is basically that when the audience is skimming your content, most of the readers tend to read the first and the last three words. So if I do like, you can get an idea basically how to reshuffle your words so that it can have a good impact on readers, and ultimately our goal is to convert the reader into a client. So you can shift, for example, lose weight in 15 days, 15 steps, and results guaranteed. Lose weight, you can write in 15 steps. You can just change over here, lose weight, Command X, over here, lose weight in 15 days, in 15 days, and results guaranteed, follow these 10 simple steps. In 10 simple steps, I can say. In 10 simple steps. And then let me see what's the score. Again 67, but you can see that character length has increased. But over here you can see that when my audience would look at this keyword, lose weight, so steps and results are guaranteed, so they might have more impact, and the tendency to click is more compared to the previous heading that I used. Moving on to this, so the keywords that I have used are weight, days, and step results. So headline should include searchable keywords and phrases that the reader can find in your content, and the sentiment is a little bit strong. Headlines, it's a neutral sentiment and it should be strong. So basically, if I write something like a negative word, for example, reduce 10 kgs. No, if I write reduce, no, inch loss. Loss is a negative keyword. If I write inch loss, then it would give me that my headline is a negative headline. So you can see over here, yeah, see, you can see that sentiment is negative, so you must change that. So you can see over here that Google search preview, how it shall look when I write this as my headline. Then over here you can see that again, this is again very important one which you should definitely see to it. So this is email subject line preview. So you can see that it should be, the reading length should be around 20 characters. So this 20 characters are visible. So make sure to include all of the particular keywords which you want your audience to see over here itself, in the 20 characters itself, so that you don't get, so that your audience don't get bounced up. And over here you can just share it, tweet it that you have scored 62 on Headline Analyzer. So this was it for the first free tool, that is Headline Analyzer. They have a paid tool also. Let us see what are the pricing. So pricing for the paid version is $12 per month. And what are the features that they have is that they have real-time blog and social calendar, automate your social schedule, integrate with WordPress, bulk schedule your post. Okay, so it is all about posting, and then marketing calendar, and then the final one is the marketing suite. So you can see according to your requirements, in case you want some customized plan, then you can go over here. But I would suggest that in case you are just writing the headlines, then the free version is quite better, and I won't suggest you to go for the paid version. In case you have some other requirements, then only you can go for the paid version, otherwise the free version is good to do. So I guess the video is getting longer, and we should move on to another tool. I also think that the this video is almost around 12 minutes long, so I think I should discuss the other tools in the next video itself, one by one, so that actually I'm giving you the in-depth knowledge about how to use the tool and explaining you all the steps, so the video is going long, and I don't want to just give you the names and then you end up having something making some mistake and not doing it properly. So I thought that making an in-depth video of each tool would be great. So this video is already 15 minutes long, so uh, so let me just not stretch the video too long, and you might have got the importance of this tool. And in case you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. I have already provided you with the list, so I shall be making in-depth video on each and every tool for um, which we are gonna use the tools which we are gonna use for making the headlines and making our copies the best. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video was useful for you, and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to not miss any of the future important videos that I shall be making. And all the videos are really made genuinely without any bias, and all the things that I have said is the honest things and the tools that I honestly use I have shared with you guys. So stay tuned for the next video. Till then, bye.